Namaste, this is Dr. Karishma Ahuja wishing you and your family a very happy and prosperous Diwali. आप सबको दीपावली की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. Diwali represents the essence of Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya, from darkness to light. The light that empowers us to commit ourselves to good deeds, which brings us closer to our own divinity, our own real selves. In this video, I've decided to share with you three important diyas, three important lamps that you must light on this beautiful occasion, which is surely going to make your Diwali more special and more prosperous. The first diya or lamp you must light this Diwali is the diya or lamp of gratitude. Make a promise as you light this lamp that you are never going to spend even a single day without gratitude, which means commit to starting and ending your day with gratitude. What this is going to do is it is going to make you a more confident, loving, peaceful person, and this is the best gift even for your own family. It is going to help you personally as well as professionally. However, remember, as you express gratitude for things that you appreciate around you, remember to express gratitude for your body. This body is a temple in which God and universe resides. Every physical interaction you have with this world is through your body, and hence learn to love and respect your body. Say thank you for my body every single day. Let's go to the second lamp. This is the lamp of sweet and soft speech. Commit today as you light this lamp that whenever you speak to anyone, you will speak sweetly and softly. That does not mean we will agree with everything that another person says. You may disagree with the person, but you can still speak sweetly and softly. Remember, you cannot always oblige, but you can always speak obligingly. By lighting this lamp, you are sure to transform your life. You will notice how things come to you easily and effortlessly when you start talking sweetly and softly. This is, my dear friends, the healing power of words. The third diya is a special diya. Without this diya or lamp, any effort that you take for anything you want in your life is incomplete. This is the diya and the lamp of faith. Today, promise that you will never stop believing in your good to come to you. You will never ever give up on your dreams. You will never lose faith. As you light this diya and lamp of faith, make a promise. Dear God, dear universe, I am always going to believe that you are there here working for me, that my dreams, all the good that I desire will come to me, because the universe loves believers. The universe and God loves those who never give up on themselves and their dreams. So as I light this diya today, I commit and I promise to always have faith and take every action in my life, take every effort with the belief that God and the universe is working for me. The next diya or the lamp is the diya of joy. I am going to commit to be always operating from an attitude of cheerfulness and joy. Whenever I speak to anyone, whenever I approach anyone, whenever I am in front of others, or even spending time with my own self, I am going to spend that time with joy. There is already a lot of misery that others go through. And so today, as I light this diya of joy, I commit to spreading joy in lives of others, not adding to their misery. Somebody somewhere may be getting inspired with my smiles. Somebody somewhere is gaining strength from my joyful attitude, from my love for my life. And so today, as I light this lamp of joy, I promise I am going to be spreading joy, and I am going to be cheerful at all times. Remember, everything comes easily to a person who's always cheerful. Once again, wishing all of you a very happy and prosperous Diwali. Let's light these 4 diyas on this beautiful, special occasion. And I promise, life is never going to be the same again. This is Dr. Karishma Ahuja wishing you all the very best. Namaste. God bless.